I made a science project for Science Day. So let me show you how it works. Please watch. And this project is called automatic street lights. These street lights turn on automatically. Let me show you this. See, this is how it works. Okay, meet you tomorrow. Bye. Good afternoon. I am Shaili Patricia and I am here with Sai from class 3. We are going to present this project called as automatic streetlights. The main thing is that the automatic streetlights are used because they turn off and on automatically. They turn on when it's dark and turn off when it's bright, and they are environment friendly and water efficient and even energy saving. This is how it turns on automatically. It turns on LDR, that is light dependent resistor. So when we use LDR, the LDR detects the light levels and will work where the light is on. And when we light when it's on, and when we remove the hand, then see it detects the light. And this is because it is invented in the last century by Albert Einstein. So these are automatic street lights, and I'm shining this is the classic the main thing is that it turns on when it's dark and also when it's light. It is because of LDR, that is light dependent
Make one in the class for the class.